Have you seen those TikToks lately? Not just the usual fashion stuff. This one's different. It's all about luxury bags, factory leaks, and this mysterious brand that's blowing up, SenBags. You've probably come across a few of them. Videos showing factory workers in China pulling back the curtain on big-name brands like Nike, Gucci, Hammett, even freaking Birkin. But they're not just showing how the bags are made. They're actually naming suppliers, breaking down the costs, and straight up saying that your $3,000 Birkin or $150 Lululemon set might have only cost $10 to make. Wild, right? And out of all this buzz, suddenly there's SenBags. Just pops up in the middle of it all. Their site says they're selling handcrafted leather bags made with expert craftsmanship and all that. The catch? They're offering luxury-level bags at a fraction of the price. So people are wondering, wait, is this for real? Or just another scam dressed up in good marketing? And the guy behind it all? Wang Sen, he's literally in all these TikToks. Says he's been an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, for luxury brands for over 30 years. Now he's like, hey, I've been making these bags forever. Why not sell them directly to you? At first glance, sounds amazing. Luxury bags without the luxury markup? Yes, please. But then things get sketchy. Like, just a year ago, Wang was on TikTok talking about electric vehicles. Now suddenly he's all about handbags? Bit of a jump, no? Also, the original SenBags TikTok account? Gone. Blocked. And now there are a bunch of new ones popping up with names like Wang9998 or Bags_. It's honestly impossible to tell which one, if any, is legit. Wang also claims he uses the same leather and techniques as Hermes. Even says he's made bags for them. But here's the thing, Hermes doesn't play like that. Their bags are only made in France under super strict NDAs. No behind-the-scenes TikToks. No live streaming in the workshop. If you're seeing a Hermes-style bag made in China on live video, it's not Hermes. Period. Some people are trying to say these bags are overruns or made with leftover Hermes materials. Nope. That's a myth. Hermes doesn't do overruns. They don't let scraps out the door. And when we checked out the SenBags website, even more red flags. There's no proper return policy. No tracking info. The only way to contact them? WhatsApp. So if something goes wrong, good luck. Honestly, it feels like a big TikTok illusion. Slick marketing. Pretty bags. Ridiculously low prices. And messaging that's super convincing. But at the end of the day, it's probably just a really well-packaged hustle. So yeah, if you're thinking about buying one of these bags, hit pause for a sec. Do your research. Think it through. If it seems too good to be true, especially when it's going viral on TikTok, it probably is